What's going on, Tubu? It's Police. Headed over to Cars and Coffee for Minot. Just finished eating some breakfast. Not expecting a real big turnout, but hey, it's better than nothing all day on Sunday. There's Mike. Got Dale leading the way. He's so serious.
I don't know, you're still recording.
I'm gonna be famous. Mustang. Got some rollers of Steve. How much your car cost? Or you can afford, pal. Heavy Chevy, baby, heavy Chevy. Damn bird blocking my view. Let's make a little walk around.
The reason I'm like doing like turbo
This one yours?
What?
This one yours?
No, I wish. I got that blue 300.
That's how I like the color scheme. I see this one all the time. I'm trying to catch them.
I'm trying to find the other picture. We're about to now. No, it's fine.
Are you the white charger that puts all those videos out?
Yeah.
What's up, man?
How you
That's
doing?
pretty cool.
Trying to put some of them out, but when Jerome's holds onto your car for too long, can't make more videos.
This here is
Nothing too crazy. I mean, it's Minot. What do you expect? I've seen this guy around.
Have you ever thought about throwing on any paddle shifters on it?
oh, what up, brother?
How you doing? How you folks doing? How you doing? How you doing, fella?
We were just talking about our runs the other week, you know?
So I pulled up and I saw Nathan's beat. I was like, oh, this is Drewski! Drewski! Drewski with the brewskis!
He had it next to me originally, but yeah, he wanted to go get it washed.
He was like, screw this, man, it's too dirty.
Yeah, I was pissed.
At least you got behind you.
Yeah. Say freaking Brody's over there behind the other screw. Yeah, I saw it earlier.
I'm like, can I cop those off you?
I'm so jelly. Everyone's all cleaned up and purty looking. Yeah, that's ignorant.
Hopefully your shit's fixed Monday, man.
I hope so too. I just want it back.
I don't blame you.
Finally get my damn tires put on and stuff.
Do some runs with those.
Wish this thing had a zoom on it. My Mopar isn't here. Gotta roll behind him. Drewski with the V.
It's gonna bother the fuck out of you.
Looks like some little plastic.
Well,
2 V's, 1 B. Got B roadie. Turbo FRS. Another Evo. Slam Chevy. GT Challenger. I don't know what the hell this is. Here's all the stains.
Your car, man. Yep. Is it stock fully and everything?
yeah, everything's stock pretty much.
Couple of heavy Chevys. I think he's looking for a spot.
Damn speedometer is 220.
On what? GTR. It's kilometers. Can't be real. Alright, two of you, we're back in the garage, and that was Cars and Coffee. Like I said, not expecting too much. It was Minot, but it surprised my, or went past the little expectations that I did have. It was quite a good turnout. Nice seeing a couple of faces of the drivers, other cars that I've been seeing around town. Finally meeting the drivers and stuff. Even if it was just, well, hey, what's going on, man? How you doing? Bye. Still, I now have a face to go with the drivers and all that jizz jazz. A couple other people I didn't see there that I thought I would. My car obviously wasn't there, so my heart wasn't really in it, simply because it's freaking Cars and Coffee and I don't have a car, so didn't really want to be there. Went out there, got a couple of, you know, just as you guys saw. But car should be back tomorrow from Jerome's. Paint should be finished. And hopefully it's back to doing shenanigans and hood rat stuff with my race car. I heard things. I hear loud stuff happening. Oh, it's a stupid motorcycle. It's not the Nova that I thought it was. There's a sweet ass Nova down the street. I hope the driver breaks it out one day. I want to make a cool video about it. Anyway, so I'm just going to wrap this video up. Enough of me scrambling along. It's just a quick little show. You know, Minot actually does have cars if you know, when it finally warms up. So Cars and Coffee Minot, pretty good. Nice meeting everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed the little video. That was like 3 hours ago too. I came my ass home, took a nap. I was super sleepy. Anyway, probably gonna play some Night Fort. Be boring. All this nice weather out finally, and I'm inside playing video games. Oh well. Till next time. I'm out.